Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today is anong araw? January 9, 5 ng hapon at dito lang muna kami guys. Dito lang muna ako kakain yung order ni Martin mamaya pa. So nag-grab food na muna ako dahil guys, this morning we went to IT Park to eat there, but then I was coughing too much that I actually puke like in nakakahiya doon. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Pero hindi naman to corona guys. It's just, I always get really bad cough once every 2 years actually. Ganon. Ewan ko ba bakit. Nata-timing talaga. But anyway, this time I didn't want to take the chance to go out and actually cough there outside and make people uncomfortable, make me uncomfortable because people are looking and all those fear of maybe she got corona, all those I can already see it from their eyes. So anyway, I decided okay, I'm just gonna have grab food today, and this time I ordered from Golden Cowrie. And yung in-order ko chicken tinola because I really want to have some soup. Because I've been eating, mga pinagkakain ko? I've been eating Jollibee so much because, that's what we do when we are from abroad and then we come home in the Philippines. That's like most of the time what I miss so much, the Jollibee taste. So anyway, for now, ang binili ko is chicken tinola, and it costs 259 pesos, and then the plain rice is 52 pesos. Ang dami pala. Tingnan nyo. Malaking serving nila. So, they give me I'm gonna cry. I requested for a spoon and fork, and I don't have any. No, there's really nothing. How am I gonna eat this? But anyway, it looks really big. It looks yummy and it's warm, but wala lang talagang. Oh my God, nakakainis.
Wala akong nag-get spoon.
So guys, ito na ang story ng ating kutsara at tinidor. So nakalimutan ng restaurant na magbigay ng kutsara at tinidor. So, yung asawa ko siya yung tinatawag ko sa reception na kasi may restaurant din sila dito. So, I asked my husband if he could call and ask to borrow for 1 spoon and 1 fork. Tapos, nung tumawag siya, ang sabi, it's not allowed daw. It's not allowed, and it was like miscommunication because she said it's not allowed. Like, anyway, miscommunication. But at the end, when we are buying this from them, 30 pesos for both or 1 for both? Then,
but it's a good quality. It's a good quality fork and knife.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, it is. It's worth
it's
it.
Heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy. Right? It is
Yeah.
heavy. It's good.
But anyway, at least we got it now.
But still.
Yeah. Bakit hindi tayo pwede, and then later on we found out na they don't have access daw sa restaurant nila, and then it's closed right now, and the housekeeping is trying to find a way to get in there. It's just so chaotic. And then, Martin made a joke, of course there's a way. Maybe the guard got a key, of course. Maybe because, what if there is a fire then, right? And nobody get access. Of course there is.
It's just this one.
It's just...
So I know it's a cheap place, but come on, we're not going to steal your cutlery. And if we are, even though there's 500 in deposit, what's the deposit for?
Exactly.
Put it that we borrowed that one, put a note to it, and if you don't return it, take it from that one, and you can and at that time you can decide your price. Mm-hmm. Maybe it was your favorite spoon, and it's worth 300 peso. But the fork was just average, so it's worth 100. And
my God.
But it's like,
I mean,
the service level here is gone.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's ever been there. I think it was better in the beginning we came here.
Yeah, it was actually.
I think it's because I know the Chinese woman having it's getting old also, but it's like it's kids running it.
Can I take your order, sir? I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salsa fries, supersize, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Every day I see you here, it just makes me wanna swoon. I wanna buy you a happy meal, but is it just too soon? I know you hear this all the time.